Ever wondered why animals hibernate during winter? Well, let me break it down for you. You see, when temperatures drop and food becomes scarce, animals like bears, squirrels, and hedgehogs go into a deep sleep called hibernation. It's like their own little winter vacation. During this time, their heart rate and breathing slow down and their body temperature drops. By conserving energy and staying hidden, they can survive the harsh winter months. So next time you see a sleeping critter, remember, they're just taking a well-deserved nap to make it through the cold season.